台湾我胖吗？
面嘎面嘎，终局之战，雷神胖不是胖。克里斯汉斯沃这回在 MIB 技战警跨国行动中，保证睡到不要不要。
Are the MIB signature suits more comfortable and the Thor costume, of course, the big belly?
Yeah, the Thor belly was about, I don't know, 70 pounds or something, and it's made of silicone.
Heavy?
Yeah, it was like the silicone one. It was really, really heavy and hot and uncomfortable. But there's, we had some Paul Smith custom suits, which were pretty awesome.
So you can fighting it, the suit?
Yeah, and they had a little bit of sort of stretch to them too, and so they were quite forgiving and when you're doing.
Looks like the tables have turned. That was an incredible catch.
除了衣服帅，这回锤子拜拜喽，改拿。真的是好大一把枪呐！
I know you like the car transform gun so much, you even making your own sound effect yourself.
You got to stop yourself doing that occasionally. Yeah, but I think both Tessa and I kind of made a few pew, 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 pew noises from time to time, which had to get cut from the movie.
大家就在电影里仔细听听，有没有他的
Pew, 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 pew.
We are the men in black.
首映场由红牌油漆赞助播出。